Over the past few years, we've certainly seen some choice resto mods, but this 56210, wrapping a professionally built small block in striking aesthetics, is definitely one of the coolest. Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this awesome Chevy combines solid horsepower with tailored swagger. And today, not only is it a sweet place to cruise the streets, it's also an instantly recognizable head turner that could easily rule the front row. Looking for a dreamy classic that simply has it all? This awesome Tri-5 checks every box. With a clean restoration, fully sorted mechanicals, and more style than pretty much anything on the road, this Rowdy 210 is a textbook example of great value. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.